Welcome back to another episode on how to log in. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Tinder account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Tinder app on your device. And once you open up, you will see three options on your screen. Now choose one of them which you have used to create your Tinder account. Now if you have used your Google account to create your Tinder account, then tap on the very first button, login with Google. And if you have used your Facebook account, then tap on the second button which says login with Facebook. But if you have used your phone number, then tap on the last option, login with phone number. Now if you have used your phone number to create your Tinder account, then tap on the third option. And there you have to type in your phone number and then tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, it will send you a verification code on your device. Now type in that code and tap on continue button. Now once you're done with typing in your code, tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will get logged into your Tinder account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Tinder account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.